Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you can generate more customers for your business. So first thing, I did find your website on your Facebook page. I was kind of looking through all the stuff you guys offer. Definitely looks like you guys do some good work. This looks awesome right here. So with your guys' website, there's a couple things we really want to focus on here. The main thing is content. So Google looks at over 200 different factors when deciding whose website's going to be the top ranked site, and content is a big one of those that we can really influence and help move you guys up in the rankings. So with that content, you really want to target 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And with that content, you also want to make sure you have the search terms you actually want to be found for in that content. So for you guys having handyman service or professional handyman, a couple times in that content will tell Google that this is a service you guys are offering and pull you guys up in the search results. There was a couple things I did notice in here that looks just like some formatting stuff where you guys are kind of getting content getting cut off here, but definitely increase the amount of content you have on here and really building out under the different services you offer would really help you guys to get pulled up for other search terms as well. So looking at keywords, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it allows me to look at different search volumes. So looking at the areas you had talked about servicing, I saw that Pensacola kind of fit that area. So Handyman Pensacola is currently getting 200 searches per month. Being in the top spot for this search term will get you 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. So a lot of potential customers just for handyman searches in this one city that could be headed towards your guys' business if you were to get your website really optimized out and into that top spot. So looking at Handyman Pensacola, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. The first thing is the GMB. This is very valuable territory for your business. This is oftentimes the first things people are seeing when they're doing these search terms. Sometimes there are Google ads up here as well, but this is really your first step in getting that potential customer headed towards your business. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business ranked in this 3-pack, and the big one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, even your Facebook page. If you list that information, counts as a citation source for you, but it has to be exact compared to what you have in Google. Meaning like with these guys, if they were to have their Facebook page be PensacolaHandyman.com but didn't have the LLC, that would not count as a citation source for them, so it has to be exact match. Looking at the organic search results and the citations your competitors have, PensacolaHandyman.com, I have this cool tool that allows me to see how many citation sources they currently have. So they have 18 citations right now going towards their business. What's cool about this is we can actually go in and see the exact citations that they have and submit to the same websites that they're currently getting them from. So you can see Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, Yahoo. These are all citation sources they're currently getting. And it's not just enough to match the number of citation sources they have. We really want to blow them out of the water. So by increasing this and going, 50 more than this or 100 more than this, is really going to kind of solidify your guys' spot in that map pack. Another big factor for how you get your business into this 3-pack is your organic rankings. So where your website sits organically in these search results is going to be a big factor if you're going to be in this 3-pack. Competition is relatively low for this search term. So I don't really include Yelp. Facebook is going to be super easy to pass these guys up with a Facebook page. Angie's List, Home Advisor. Google really prefers to rank the small business owner that has good content on their website over these large national directory sites, just because these guys are direct competitors with Google ads. So Google really does prefer to rank the small business owner. So we're going to look at Pensacola Handyman and see what he has going on for his website. Looking at his site, it's pretty basic. Not much content on here at all. Definitely if you guys were to increase that amount of content on your guys' website on that home page and really make sure you have those search terms that you want to get found for, you generate a lot of traffic in a short period of time. Looking at the back end of their website, there's a couple different things we're looking at here, and it's backlinks and referring domains. So the whole internet is built on links from one website to another, one business to another. So what you guys really want to target is getting a backlink or a link to your website from another handyman site. Say you got another link from a handyman company here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of. That's going to carry a lot more weight than if you guys were to get a link to your local Pizza Hut, because you guys don't sell pizzas. So really getting those relevant links pointing towards your guys' website is what's going to really drive you up over your competition. So they currently have 31 backlinks from 5 referring domains. So if you guys were to go out there and get 100 backlinks from 50 referring domains, just blow these guys out of the water to where you're being able to move into that top spot. You're going to see this search traffic headed towards your guys' business. If you have any questions on this, definitely I'd love to talk to you more. We can set up a quick 10-minute phone call where I can learn a little bit more about your business. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you.